Hello students, today we will learn Heisenberg uncertainty principle. In classical mechanics, a moving particle of very small mass has a continuous energy distribution. The position of the particle is definite, but since the particle has very small mass, so when it absorbs the energy from an external environment, then an uncertainty in its velocity is introduced. In quantum mechanics, this moving particle of very small mass is equivalent to a wave packet. The de Broglie wave confined within the wave packet is a stationary wave which has a time varying amplitude. Since the amplitude of de Broglie wave changes with time and it is associated with the formation of nodes and antinodes, hence in quantum mechanics there is an uncertainty in determining the position of the particle or the wave packet. The energy of the wave packet in quantum mechanics is considered to be discrete. In quantum mechanics, since the motion of the particle is associated with the generation of collection of sinusoidal waves slightly differing in velocities, hence there is an uncertainty in the velocity or in the momentum of the particle or of wave packet. Hence in quantum mechanics, unlike in classical mechanics, there is an uncertainty in position as well as in the momentum of the wave packet. If delta x represents the uncertainty in the position and delta p represents the uncertainty in the momentum of the wave packet, then the product of these uncertainties in position and momentum has a minimum value of h upon 2 pi. However, the upper limit of the product of these uncertainties in position and momentum is not specified. Thus, with an increase in the precision in the estimation of the position of the wave packet, an uncertainty in the momentum is increased. In other words, these two quantities, position and momentum, are canonically conjugate variables which cannot be determined precisely and simultaneously. Heisenberg extended this relation between position and momentum in linear motion to angular position and angular momentum in angular motion. Hence, for angular motion, Heisenberg uncertainty principle is delta theta into delta j greater than equal to h upon 2 pi. For an electron wave packet revolving around the nucleus in an atom, there is an uncertainty in its energy. Hence, if such an electron wave packet makes a transition from one energy level to another, there is an uncertainty in its time. Heisenberg stated that the product of these uncertainties in energy and time is also greater than equal to h upon 2 pi. Let us consider an example. A nucleon is confined to a nucleus of diameter 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 14 meters. Calculate the minimum uncertainty in the momentum of the nucleon. So in this case, we are given a nucleon which is a particle of very small mass which is moving. So hence it falls in the preview of quantum mechanics and has a de Broglie wave associated with it. There is an uncertainty in its position because it is treated as a wave packet which is given in the question as 5 into 10 minus 14 meters. We have to calculate the minimum uncertainty in its momentum. So from question, diameter of nucleus, which is uncertainty in position, delta x equal to 5 into 10 minus 14 meters. we have to determine minimum uncertainty in momentum of nucleon, which is delta p. So substituting the value of delta x in Heisenberg uncertainty relation, we get uncertainty in momentum as 6.62 into 10 minus 34, which is value of Planck's constant, divided by 5 into 10 minus 14 into 2 into 3.14, the value of pi. On calculating, we get delta P as 0.211 into 10 raised to the power minus 20 kilogram meter per second, which is uncertainty in momentum of the nucleon wave packet.